Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss a very important news which I'm seeing from the last few months now about flooding all over the world. Flood is causing a lot of damage to the property. A lot of innocent will lose lives, innocent lives. So I thought to give my comments. I think from not for many, it's from many. Within a few years, it will become a very kind of habit for the people to build a lot of projects, high-rise building around nearest to lakes, rivers, and the seas, which has become a very selling point and make a lot of profit. People attract on this, but they've forgotten that whenever the more water will come, rise, and then the damage will happen. A lot of people will die, and then those rivers come and nearest those towns and cities and kill a lot of people because they don't know where to go. So what I suggest here with my own limited knowledge, first of all, we should not build very close to very important houses and businesses. Go look close to the rivers and lakes, even around close to the sea area. If you want to build, if really there's the need to desire that, then you can build a very large walls around those lakes and rivers. So if the water rises to 12 feet to 13 to 14 feet, so it can hold it. Technology is available, machinery is available, you have strong stones are available. There's so many ways. If you bring all top architecture today, I mean all architecture together, they can give you great ideas. How can you build the strongest walls around those areas? Or can dig more deep rivers and lakes to protect the people of lives. So we need to think, or we can also preserve. If the river rise or sea rise, there should be a way. If the water comes, we can store into somewhere more storage, because it's good for have more water. The more water we store, we can use for next few years. Just like we have a crop of rice, when more comes, we store. Same crops of wheat and so many other things which we use every day. So we have storage. Same thing is possible that we can use as storage somewhere to protect human life also, or you can build a wall, a strong wall. You can test it by very properly testing that they really survive during the pressure. There is a way, always there's a will, there's a way. So I hope we should not ignore this, and we can find out a solution. And we have a lot of labor available. Millions and millions of people are sitting home doing nothing. Put them into work. We have machinery, we have everything available. Put top architecture designers to find a solution for this, because the entire world is suffering. And when the rise of river or lake happens, a lot of people suffering a lot. So let's not ignore it. Find a solution together, entire world, as one humanity, under one God, one family. Work together. Take care. Talk to you next time. Bye.